Hello everyone, I'm Shivani Patel and I welcome back you again to my channel where you will get some tips and tricks to start your RN journey in abroad. Today I'm going to discuss how to read Saunders book for NCLEX-RN. So this is the Saunders book. I have third edition and you can find the latest edition for Saunders to prepare for your nursing exam from online market or any bookstores. You will get this book easily. So this is the book Saunders for any competitive exam of nursing and any licensure examination that you are giving for overseas nursing. So let's start. First of all, you will get a code, a voucher code that you can use and prepare for your exam, where you will get question bank and you can read those question and rational and practice the questions from there. So let's start. This book has everything like system wise. First of all, they have one section where you will get fundamental of nursing information, topic wise, and it also covers all 4 needs that was described in my previous video as per NCSBN test plan. So in this book you must read this red points that is mentioned here. It is useful to you for your questions which are based on priority and delegation. As you can see, this one is for before giving any medication, how you will assess the radial pulse. So you can use this while if you have any question regarding any blood pressure meds or any meds that is that you are giving for tachycardia or bradycardia. So you must read these points which are mentioned in red color. Also, the second one is the green box. As per my experience, I got 2 or 3 questions from this green box only from the Saunders book, so I will make sure to read this one if I'm preparing for my competitive exam in future. So this green box, you should read it. Whenever you are preparing for the exam, make sure you are making notes side by side if you have any question or you are getting any further knowledge from any other resources, so that will be useful in your revision before your exam. Also check this pie chart that they have. Sometimes you will get questions from this pie chart too. And this blue box is also important to check for the question like drag and drop, and to check the differences between 2 similar equipment or similar disease condition. You also need to highlight some points if you are taking any classes or if you are reading from different resources and you find that something is most important. So you can highlight those points and write down some notes side by side, so that it will help you to revise that topic easily in future. Another best thing about this book is it has question bank after each chapter, so you must practice it when you are done with your one section. Then you can check and assess your knowledge before starting your question bank with UWorld. And you should also read the rational and make notes from it, so that you know how to solve that question in exam. And final tip from this book is this chapter, provision of a safe environment. You will surely get 3 to 4 questions from this chapter, so must read this chapter from this book. If you are using any other resources for your preparation for NCLEX-RN, but make sure you read infection prevention and safe environment provision from this book. So this is all about Saunders book and how you can read it for your exam. Do let me know in the comment how you are liking this content, and if you need any further information about your overseas RN journey, you can DM me on my Instagram account. The link is in description. Do like and subscribe this channel. Thank you.